Here we are going to see that how to obtain the time response of the given system. So here open loop transfer function is given, that is the g of s equal to 4 upon s into s plus 4, s plus 5. For that we have to find the time response for the unit step input. So still if you didn't subscribe our channel, please subscribe it and share with your friends so that maximum people can get benefit. So here for the given transfer function, first of all, we need to obtain the closed loop transfer function. So here it has unity feedback. So h of s equal to 0. And this is the standard formula for the closed loop transfer function where c of s upon r of s. This is the input and this is going to be the output. So that is g of s upon 1 plus g of s into h of s. So h of s equal to 1. So finally we have to substitute the g of s values. Okay. And again, we are going to take the LCM and we are going to cancel out this term, this term. So finally, this is the final our closed loop transfer function, that is s upon s into s plus 5 plus 4. So further, we are going to simplify. So we have here characteristics equation as s square plus 5s plus 4. So this one again, we are going to factorize. So we have s plus 4 into s plus 1. Now this response we have to obtain in S domain. So it is multiplied by the input function, that is R of S, and R of S is the unit step input here. So that is in S domain is equal to 1 by S. So we have multiplied here by 1 by S. So now this solution we have to obtain by the help of partial fraction expansion. So this is the type of the case one that is already discussed earlier, and separate lecture is available for that in the playlist. So finally, this C of S can be written as A by S plus B upon S plus 4 plus C upon S plus 1. Now we have to find the value of ABC. So A is obtained here. We are going to multiply by the denominator and we are going to substitute the value as equal to 0. So that is going to give us value of 1. And to obtain the B, C of S is being multiplied with the denominator, that is S plus 4. Then we'll substitute the value of S equal to minus 4. On the basis of that, we have B equal to 1 upon 3. Similarly, to obtain the C, denominator of C is being multiplied here to the C of S, and we are substituting S equal to minus 1. Whatever denominator value is there, that you should equate to 0, and finally we'll get the value of S that we need to substitute. So on the basis of that, we have C equal to minus 4 upon 3 here. Okay. So now this is the space that is S domain representation. So we have substituted the value of A, B, and C. So we are getting here 1 upon S. Second term is 1 upon 3 plus, that is into 1 by S plus 4. Again, the third term is the minus 4 upon 3 into 1 upon S plus 1. So this is the A value, this is the B value, this is the C value. Now, this one we need to obtain in the time domain. So for that, we need to take the Laplace inverse of this one. And you know about Laplace, like we have Laplace of 1 is equal to 1 by s. So Laplace inverse of 1 by s is the 1. Similarly here, Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 4, we have e to the power minus 4t. Laplace inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is we have e to the power minus t. Since Laplace of e to the power minus 80 value is what here? 1 by s plus a. So this concept is followed here to obtain the Laplace inverse. So finally, we can rearrange this expression and we got the time domain response of the given open loop transfer function for the unity feedback. So these are the questions what they're going to ask. Okay, if numerical is going to come, any doubt is there, you write in the comment box. Thank you very much.